I'm Dale Campbell.
And I'm Spencer McPherson. And broncolor have sent us their new LED F160.
Now what's great about this light for us is that we work on both still imagery and moving imagery. This allows us to do both. We have been able to work together before on projects, but this has allowed us to use all of the lighting modifiers that photography have been using, beauty dishes, softboxes, reflectors, grids, snoots, and be able to then get both the still and moving imagery at the same time. So that's really huge. The first shoot that we wanted to test this out on was based around a cosmetic product. On the moving image side, we were looking at doing slow motion splashes in paint. The stills photographers were trying to do a similar thing. They're trying to freeze the motion of the paint. So we set up with 4 of these F160s around the paint splash. We had 2 with reflectors, the P70s, blasting into a bit of diffusion. We had a third with a snoot on just to focus in, get a little bit of detailing on the splash and also on the product. And then the 4th was above the product so that we could fill in a little bit of the shadowing as the splash moved away. And what was really cool about this is the photography were able to see where everything's going, how everything's working. We can work collaboratively.
So once everything was set up, we had enough time to allow the film team or the photography team to get their shots, but things worked really quickly because there was such an easy way of moving around the equipment and the lighting. These are small and lightweight, and we can very easily move these around.
The weight of it means that we can put it on a boom arm, we can put a big octobox on it, and indeed that's what we explored when we went out to do the dancer shoots. We had those larger modifiers and were able to move the entire contraption at speed with a dancer.
We've got 3 LEDs set up on our central column, and that's going to allow us to get that beautiful motion blur coming through as the dancer moves through the space. So we still kept the LEDs, those were still in position, but we also set up a Para 177 with a Syros 800L.
On the rooftop, setting up for our night scene. First shot is going to simulate sunrise, so we want to be able to control the light. We're going to be using the octobox, which is just behind me, F160 in there, the LED light, and we're going to be able to manipulate the color temperature of that as well, so we can warm it up a little bit, we can match a little bit of what's happening with the sunset, and hopefully get some really nice, smooth, creamy skin tones on our wonderful ballerina Sophie. We have switched over to the photography team. They've set up a Para 177 with a Syros 800L in, and they've also got the octobox with the F160 in, allowing them to get their motion blur shot and then freeze the motion with the Syros in the Para at the end as well. It happened that there was a blood moon, and it was coincidence, we didn't plan for it. The ability just to grab that light, change the color temperature, so that we were matching the moonlight and reposition it so that it felt like it was illuminating our model. Really quick and easy to make those adjustments and jump on something that just happened. It's one of my favorite shots out of the whole shoot.